Hello everyone, I am Rishi and today I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents using Microsoft Word and Google Docs. So we're going to start off with Microsoft Word first to have our table of contents created. Now, what you need to have in your document prepared already is your headings, right? So without the headings, Microsoft Word and Google Docs as well will not be able to create a table of contents for you. So they need somebody to actually pinpoint where exactly the chapter is, where exactly a particular section is to go to. So it basically to create your headings, you go to your home tab, and here it is under styles. You actually choose heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. So heading 1 it basically comes like your main heading that you'll be using. Heading 2 comes like a subheading or like a chapter heading, and heading 3 will be like a subheading of that of heading 2. So seeing that we already have some dummy text on our screen here, right, and I've already placed my headings for each section, I'm going to create a table of contents for them. So the good thing about the references tab with the table of contents, it allows you to create automatically create, sorry, a table of contents for your document. So we're going to scroll up a bit to our blank page here, go to table of contents and select your option that you choose. And there you have it. On Microsoft Word, automatically creating the table of contents for you. All the section is there. Now, if it is that you want to add in more text, or even let's say remove a section, you can always update the table on the document itself here. So more text, right? And let's put in some random text in the meantime. So we have that there. And I can just make this into a heading, right? And you guys can do your edit accordingly. And just basically click on update table of contents, and we have Word is updating the table of contents. Select one of the following options. You can either update page numbers only or update entire table. So in this case, we're going to update the entire table, seeing that we have already we have added more text to the document. So click OK, and there you see that the table of contents has been updated with the new section. And that's basically how we do it in Microsoft Word. Now, to quickly go across to Google Docs, is basically the same feature that we're using. So we have some dummy text already, right? And we have same features in terms of having the headings for the for your particular sections or chapters, right? So once that is in order, right, we click on, so we go to our blank page, we go to insert, and we go select table of contents. So here now there's two options. You can either put it with page numbers or you can put it with the blue link. So in this case, I want page numbers. So select it, and there we have it. Our table of contents is created. All right, so okay, so it didn't go exactly onto the blank page. So I'm just going to fix that up a bit. Insert table of contents. And yeah, this looks so much better now, as you can see here. And but the only thing is, if you notice the difference between Microsoft Word and Google Docs is that Microsoft Word already has a title for it. So in this case, it's table of contents. Compared to Google Docs, there's no title there. So what we can do is that we can label it as table of contents, right? And we have it as here. So once you click on it, you can update. Now notice what happens here, right? So it reads this as a heading, right? And it is counted as page 1. So let's say we don't want that to happen. Basically, right on this ribbon here, we click on the drop down and select it as normal text. And we can go now and update again and notice that it's no longer there. So that goes to show you that any headings or sections that you put in, it reads it and automatically marks where it's supposed to be. Now, if you notice here as well, under inserting, there is a subheading, for example, and to change. So that the difference of that is because we have used heading 2, right, as compared to heading 1, right? So the same goes up to Microsoft Word feature, right? So under inserting, there's example, and to change both of them being assigned heading 2. So it comes like a subheading of inserting. And that's basically it. One more thing, a pretty cool thing also, if you have not noticed, is on the left hand pane of the screen, you will see show document outline. As you can see, there's already a link to each section of it. So once you create a heading on your documents, it is easily accessible just by clicking on that particular heading. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of creating a table of contents using Microsoft Word and Google Docs. See you guys next.